Tactical pants don't only mean for FBI, SWAT, or military personnel, but for all of those who work in tactical related fields. The best tactical pants should have the abundance of pocket storage for tactical gear and reinforced knees for harder use on the job and other convenience that should make the life easier on the field. So for those who are looking for the best tactical pants to wear both on and off the job, we have made this list of the 5 best pairs of tactical pants that are available today in the market. Let's check them out. LA Police Gear is a renowned tactical gears and accessories brand that offers a long line of products in this field. Let's meet the LAPG Men's Basic Operator PANT W Elastic Waistband. Features a 65% polyester, 35% cotton ripstop fabric that's tough, comfortable, lightweight, and fade resistant. It features a pass-through along the top center edge of the flap, allowing you quick access to the pocket or a place to clip a knife or a tool. The pants also feature added comfort and padding where it's needed the most, such as the knee and seat. These pants also feature a high-strength plastic YKK zipper to minimize the amount of metal. Its cargo pockets are big enough to fit an iPad mini. The LAPG Men's Basic Operator PANT W Elastic Waistband features more comfort, more pockets, more maneuverability, and all you require in a tactical field. Triple Aught design, shortly known as TAP, always comes up with the finest clothes and gears, perfect for your toughest missions or in your everyday adventures. Introducing the TATForce 10 AC cargo pants blends overbuilt construction, ample storage, innovative features, and heritage style to take you anywhere and back again. Featuring hidden pockets to D-rings for dummy cording gear, Force 10s continue to set bar for capability and quality while still providing inimitable style and comfort. It is built with 100% nylon with durable water repellent, built to take any pressure and last long. Its pass-through slots on the cargo flaps accommodate longer items, and internal pocket dividers in the cargo pockets secure spare magazines, radios, flashlights, and other gears. Overall, these pants have 8 pockets, providing ample storage that includes 2 hidden passport pockets as well. The TATForce 10 AC cargo pants are perfect for those who want ultimate capability and quality in the field of operation. Vertex is well-known tactical cloth and gear manufacturer, trusted by the nation's top operators and prepared professionals for innovative designs, functionality, fit, and versatility. Introducing the Vertex Recon pants, made with 50% nylon and 50% cotton ripstop. It features relaxed waistband to optimize comfort and YKK zipper and Vertex branded button closer. These pants have concealed zipper right pocket, tool pockets on each hip, set back pockets with hook and loop closer flaps, and other pockets on thighs and so on. Its double reinforced knee with knee pad pouch and hook and loop closer gives you the ultimate convenience when you are in the field of mission. Overall, these are very comfortable pants with enough stretch that they don't restrict movement in critical situations. The Vertex Recon pants offer maximum storage ability for units who need to balance loading and packing with the ability to remain mobile and functional in tactical mission. Tru-Spec manufactures advanced, resilient tactical clothing and tools for law enforcement officers, military personnel, and other elite operators. Introducing the Tru-Spec Man's 24/7 Tactical Pants. One of the best fitting and most comfortable tactical pants ever made. These pants are designed and engineered with dimensional fit that is just right for an on-duty or off-duty wear. It features a comfortable slider waistband and deep cargo pockets that are designed to accommodate concealed weapons. It has extra deep front pockets, 2 knife and accessory pockets, and expandable back pockets with hook and loop closers. It also comes with reinforced knees that are designed with spatial pockets for inserting pads. The Tru-Spec Man's 24/7 Tactical Pants are made with polyester cotton ripstop fabrics, which are DWR water repellent coated. These pants are suitable for any tactical mission as well as for extreme hiking, camping, fishing, hunting, and all manners of automotive and landscaping work in between. .511 is a brand that offers superior tactical apparel and gear for law enforcement, first responders, tactical operators, and recreational enthusiasts. Today, we are going to introduce the MultiCam TDU pant from .511. Built for rugged, durable, and high performance. This pant is available in twill, tack-light, and ripstop, and comes with a self-adjusting tunnel waistband, double reinforced seat and knees, triple stitching, and robust bar taking. The .511 MultiCam TDU pant features Teflon finish, facilitates roomy cargo pockets, secure rear pockets, hidden knee pad pockets, and secondary mag pockets to keep your gears and accessories organized. This pant is made durable, built to last longer, makes you more satisfied than ever before. Overall, this pair of pants has everything you need in tough times. The 511 MultiCam TD PANT is made for those individuals who are ready for any tough mission. So that's all about the 5 best tactical pants for outdoor. Like, comment, and share with your friends if you found this video helpful. Subscribe to our channel if you want to see more videos like this on your feed.